Hi guys, good evening. Now is December 29, 2024, Sunday. At last and finally guys, dumating na din ang in-order namin yung dual tip brass pen. Tapos may choices to. Merong 24 pieces lang or meron ding 36 pieces din. Tapos meron ding 48 pieces. Tapos meron ding 60 pieces. Tapos merong 100 pieces. Tapos meron ding 120 pieces. Pero ito 80 pieces to guys. So yan, ibibigay ko to sa saan ko to. Ibibigay ko to. Mag-unbox tayo guys. Dual tip brass pen. Yan, to guys Kanina lang to dumating afternoon pero ngayon lang ako ngayon lang ako nagka-time na mag-unbox. So ito guys. Yan. Tingnan natin kung ang ganda ng pagkapak. Yan. Yan. Meron siyang case guys. Yan. Yan. 80 pieces to guys. 80 pieces. So guys So ibibigay ko to sa son ko. Ang son ko ay 14 years young or 14 years old na siya. Yan. Kasi ang galing niya sa art Yan, ito guys Ito guys 80 pieces guys. Dual tip brass pen. Yan. 80 pieces. Yan ang case niya yan. Yan guys So yan. May layer by layer to siya. Yan. First layer 20 pieces yata. First layer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. First layer 20 pieces. Second layer 20 pieces again. Third layer 20 pieces. So fourth layer 20 pieces din. So yan guys. So yan. Ito guys 20 pieces first layer, 20 pieces second layer, 20 pieces third layer, at saka 20 pieces din fourth layer. So 20 times 4 equals 80. 20, 40, 60, 80. 80. So nahulog. Sorry. Yan. Yan guys. So, itesting natin yung yellow guys. Guys, kasi ang favorite color ko ay yellow. San? Halika nga dito, San. San? Tatawagin ko San ko. San? Anong favorite color mo, San? Yan. I-try natin yung yellow. Ito. Double head colored pen. Ito guys, yellow. So, yan. Yung na lang, yellow. So, yan. Yellow na heart. Mag-draw tayo ng heart. Yan. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And Happy New Year. And Happy New Year. Yay! Guys, oh. Ang ganda ng quality, guys, oh. So, sa lahat ng mga interesado dyan, guys, 4 na layers, 4 layers, guys. At saka, each layer have 20 pieces of pen, brass pen. Ito, guys, oh. Ang ganda niya, guys, oh. Yan, guys, oh. So, sealer, thank you so much. Ang ganda ng quality. At saka may case pa. 4 na layers, may layers pa. May 4 layers pa. May cases pa. So, yan. Yan. Oh. First layer, yan. Second layer, third layer, at saka fourth layer. Yan, guys. So, I think for this time, guys, hanggang dito muna lang tayo. At thank you, seller, ha. Ang ganda ng quality, seller. Thank you so much. So, I think matutuwa talaga ang son ko dito kasi ang galing niya sa art. So, good evening to everyone. And thank you so much. So, sa lahat ng mga friends ko dyan, sa lahat ng mga followers ko, I hope na kung interesado kayo, just trust me, just click my yellow basket and just try, guys. Subukan nyo lang, baka magustuhan nyo. So, kung magustuhan nyo, it's up to you kung mag-purchase kayo. Pero for sure, kung mag-purchase man kayo, kung mag-order man kayo, for sure, hindi kayo mabubudol, hindi kayo mai-scam. Kasi, genuine talaga, totoo talaga, legit talaga. So, proven and tested na to. 80 pieces, 4 layers, 20 pieces each layer. So, yan, guys, ang ganda pa ng quality. So, seller, ang ganda ng quality, seller. So, thank you so much. So, yan. Guys, it's already December 29 na. So, malapit ng New Year. So, I hope na magkaroon tayo ng masaya na pagsalubong this coming New Year 2025. I hope happy tayo together with our family, and likewise also I hope din na magkaroon din tayo ng healthy body always together with our family or together with our loved ones. So, sa lahat ng mga friends ko dyan, sa lahat ng mga followers ko, especially kay TikTok, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to everyone, especially kay TikTok kasi ang bait-bait ni TikTok, ang dami-dami niyang tinutulungang tao. TikTok, hi TikTok. So, yan. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Take care po tayong lahat. Ingat po tayong lahat. God bless po sa ating lahat, or God bless us all. That's all. Good evening. Bye-bye. Once again, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to everyone, especially kay TikTok.